So for this one, we do have a prism. It's just a box. So if we look at the formula we said earlier, for cylinders and prisms, area of the base times the height. So we're going to go ahead and write that down. Volume is capital B times H, area of the base times the height. And here's the way we're going to go about doing this. Capital B is the most important part in this whole process. And to find this, you have to ask yourself, what shape is the base? So what shape is the base? And we just said here, the base is parallel to an identical base, or the top and bottom are exactly the same. So can someone point out what shape do you see that you believe is the base of this entire prism? Robert? Rectangle. Which rectangle are you looking at? What numbers go with it? Top and the bottom, okay. So the 5 and 6, great. So our base is that big bottom rectangle, 5 meters by 6 meters. Okay, well, I need the area of the base. Capital B is the area of the base, so capital B equals 5 times 6 is going to give me 30 meters squared. So that's B, that's capital B. Okay, we said that the base of this entire thing is a rectangle, down here, 5 by 6. So I drew that rectangle, I found the area. So now I'm ready to actually find the volume. If volume is capital B times H, well, we know capital B, that's 30 meters squared. We just found that. Can someone tell me what the height of this entire prism is? Go back to the 3D shape. Can someone tell me the height of the prism, how tall this prism is? Breton? 3 meters. This piece right here. Height is almost always straight up and down. And this is the only piece that's straight up and down, 3 meters. So 3 meters for our height. Let's multiply our numbers. 30 times 3 gives me 90. But we got to be careful with our units now. I have meters squared times meters. Meters squared meant there were 2 of them, right? Times meters again. So now there's 3 different measurements. So meters cubed. I used meters times meters to get meters squared, times another meters here to get meters cubed. I ended up using meters 3 different times. Twice when I was finding capital B, and then 1 more here for H, so 3 times, so meters cubed.